In today's video, I'll teach you how to back up and restore your data inside of YNAB. If you want to download the data that you have or the budgets that you created inside of YNAB, you can easily do so through the Reflex section. So if you head over to Reflex on the left hand side, it's going to show you the breakdown of your spending trends, net worth, and a few other stuff. Now you can easily download this data by tapping on the exports button on the right hand side of the screen. Just click on the exports option, click on export, and this data will be downloaded to your device. It's going to be inside of a zip file, so you can just extract it and then you'll be able to see the CSV file that has been downloaded. Now, once you have this data, you can easily import it later on inside of YNAB. Just open up a particular account where you would like to import this data. And here on the top, you'll see the option called File Import. Just click on this option. And here you'll be able to choose from the file that you have from your desktop or your laptop. Click on Choose File and then just select the CSV file that you want to import inside of this new account section and then click on open. This way all of the data inside of that CSV file will be added into the particular account that you just selected. Similarly, if you want to add in the same data to various accounts, you can also do that by clicking on or selecting a different account and then repeating the same process. So that was the video about the way that you back up and restore your data inside of YNAB. Do give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, make sure to hit that like and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more.